Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 12 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick here. I've been pruning heavily. This is crazy weather we've been having. It almost got into the 80s, and now it's going to be a week worth of rain, end of July here. I'm in Central California, Zone 9B. Let me show you. You'll see Lulu right there. I'm pruning my 4-in-1. This is a nectarine. Oh, excuse me, that's a nectarine. This is a peach. This is a plum, and this is an apricot. When I got to the apricot, I noticed a lot of ant activity. You see them right there. They're eating the sap because the rainfall really produces a lot of sap. Like the growth of a tree, if many of you know, if you like gardening, after it rains, everything's more vibrant. None of the sap was here on the cuts of the apricot. And until it rained, then the sap came out. So it's showing that it's going to flush a lot of growth. That's why you can see the buds are starting to push open. But every nook and cranny, let me show you this one here. All the ants. So I was worried that there was a hole in the tree they made or, burrowed through, but it's the sap they want. Very interesting. I've never seen this before. Happy gardening, everyone.